Paakyat na ako.
Surprise!
Every time you smile, the world feels brighter. Every word you say just feels like home. Even when the night is getting colder, with you I know I'm never alone.
Happy anniversary, mahal.
Happy anniversary. Salamat sa effort, ah. I love you.
Anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Napaka-special ng araw na to.
Sige. Thank you.
Mahal. Flowers. For you.
Grabe talaga siya. Thank you. Grabe. Pati yung paborito ko. Yung repair mo.
Yan ang gusto mo, di ba? Nakabalat na yan.
Kabalat na.
Mahal. Thank you sa 3 taon na pagmamahal, pagtitiis, at pagpapatawad sa lahat ng mali na gagawa. Thank you for being with me through my ups and downs. I love you, mahal.
Love you too. Teka, ano yun? Gusto ko makita yun. Grabe yung effort mo ngayon eh. Natingin. Ang cute! Always asking me. Thank you, mahal.
Mahal, will you marry me?
Yes! Yes, of course! Yes, mahal! I will marry you!
Yes!
Yes! I love you!
Guys, she finally said yes!
Good to see you.